Paano ba natin yayakapin ang lahat ng mga taong iba sa atin upang magkaisa? Para sa mabungang buhay tayo na magkapet pandasal. How can we come together to build a supportive and inclusive community that celebrates diversity and unity? The Gospel of Mark says that Jesus will gather us from the four winds. It means that believers from all over the world will be gathered together by Jesus when He returns. This shows that God's love and salvation is for everyone, regardless of our background and diversity. We can contribute to building a strong community by showing respect, engaging in dialogue, supporting others, celebrating diversity, and collaborating on common goals. Manalangin po tayo. Upang magsama-sama kami bilang isang komunidad, bigyan mo kami ng kakayahang pag-isahin kaming lahat sa gitna ng aming pagkakaiba. Amen.